If you could describe eToro's new AI power in one sentence, what would it be?
A strong platform to get you into investing. My name is Nick. I'm a content creator. I have a short form content across TikTok, Instagram, TA Tech Tips, where I cover all things tech.
What's the one thing you've heard today that's made you think?
The fact that it's a lot more accessible to get into investing, because I've come to this kind of with no idea about investing. So the fact that it's becoming more accessible for people like me who know nothing, they can use AI tools to see what the markets are saying. It just gives you a really good gateway into investing. That's what's kind of been a standout for me.
If you could describe the future of investing in one word, what would it be?
Intimidating, because never knowing where to start. But this has kind of eased that kind of intimidation for me. Now I'm happy to dip my toe into investing, maybe not thousands of pounds just yet, but yeah, it's given me a good kind of idea of what I want to do and how to kind of move forward with investing for sure.
Which new feature of eToro are you using first?
The AI tools for sure, just to give me an idea of what the markets are saying, where to start, how to get going, because the biggest thing for me is knowing where to start. Once I've got going, I'm sure I could get a handle of what the markets are saying and how to invest, but it's just getting started, and this new app seems to be, like I said, the gateway into starting investing.
What did you know better today than you did an hour ago?
Just about the general how investment works and how eToro are kind of helping people get into it without it becoming, just for the financiers of the country.
If you could describe eToro's new AI power in one sentence, what would it be?
A strong platform to get you into investing.
What's the biggest misconception about AI in trading that you're glad has been put to rest today?
That it's not just randomly generated. The fact that it's just not guesswork. It is pulling information from sources that are going to be reputable and that you can trust, and that it's going to give you the right direction.
You could finish the sentence. Knowing better means.
Knowing better means knowing where to start.